Well, I went out, spent about 30 bucks. These magnets here are supposed to pick up 50 pounds. I got one on each side. And the big one here in the middle is supposed to pick up 150. I got this 100-foot rope. And I'm about to go out here to this pond out back of my house. See if I can find something out there. So we'll start the next video when I get to the pond and let you see what it is and look at it and see what the fuck I find. See what's up. Appreciate liking and subscribing, man. Yep. Nice as fuck out here. Muddy. But that's where I've got it out of. Yo, there's my boy. He can turn his head around if he wants to. Yo, what up? Got the pose in the water. And before we leave, we're gonna try out this motherfucking magnet. See what's up with that. Well, that's about it, motherfucker. Unless I catch a fish. Appreciate it. It don't get much better than this. Out here in the wild. The motherfucking wild. Every day. That post it every day. If we catch something, let you know. Yeah, motherfuckers. yeah, in Boston.
Yeah. Motherfucker.
Hey, believe it or not, didn't catch no fish out in this fucking place. But look, after a few throws, getting out there in the deep, look, sinkers, hella sinkers. Check this shit, more sinkers. Motherfucking, look at this, jig, motherfucking, hold up.
That's like the best baby bass bait I've ever seen.
Fucking big jig. I'm talking about jig.
Look at that.
I'm talking jig bait.
That best bass jig bait.
$30 for this shit, my nigga. Boston, what up? We doing this shit.
Best fishing ever right here.
Woo! Yeah.